Hi and welcome back to my channel. Got these two Class 47s off eBay last week. They're both as non-runners and bodywork in a terrible state. I got them so I can rip out the motors, have them as push-pulls. And what I'm going to do is I don't care about the bodywork being in such a state because I'm going to rust them all up anyway, like they're a scrap. So the first thing to do is strip them all down and give them a good clean. Yeah, I paid 20 quid each for these, plus I think it was £3.10 postage with Hermes. Hermes are rubbish, they really are. It takes days to get to you. Alright, this is just a short bit of my film, then I'll be carrying on after I've stripped them down. Hi and welcome back to my channel. This is the second loco I got off eBay, which is in a bad condition on the bodywork and a non-runner. I'm going to strip down and take all the gubbins out the motor and wash it and get it all prepared, ready to be weathered. So it'll be similar to my last video, but this is a different type of chassis. This one that it's got clips in these three places on both sides. As you can see, it's a different layout with the bogies as well. Okay. Hi, welcome back. As you can see, the four main bits are stripped out now. It's a lot easier to strip this one down compared with the last one. On here, you've got these clip in. They clip into there. Basically what you do is get your screwdriver in this area. And what you do is you gently move it across. So it moves this piece across and then it just falls out. Same on this one. You gently get up inside there with the screwdriver and gently just move that across and then it just comes out. And this comes out as well. It's a cab, the cab details. So you can actually fit a person in there if you wanted to. I say I probably won't be. I might do. Depends. Depends what I actually do with this one. Because this one isn't in too bad a state really. The bodywork's a bit shabby, yes. Okay. I can rust it up as well. But maybe not as bad as the another 47 I got. And to get the bogie bit out of the chassis bit, I should say, out of here, you just lever a little bit with, again with a screwdriver. Just gently, you lever in there, and they pop out. I say as long as you're gentle with it, it's not too bad. I say this bodywork's a bit tatty, yes. Looks like somebody's tried to do something with it, God knows what though. I suppose until I have a go, I can't say about other people. Right, I just need to strip the motor down. Strip these down and give everything a good wash. That's all stripped down now, ready to be cleaned. And how you get these bits out of here, put a screwdriver down the edge there and you slowly just inch it out. You have to be very careful because it's this is metal and this is plastic. It's only just held in with little clips, basically. It's like a push fit, goes inside there. But whoever had this before, this motor is absolutely covered in oil. I've cleaned it and cleaned it and cleaned it. That's probably why it wasn't working. It's shorting out. But I've got rid of all the gubbins anyway, because I don't need them. Got rid of the cogs. Just need to wash it now. That's all the oil cleaned out the motor now. To get the electrical motor bit out, you take that cog off there. It just pulls off. The centerpiece comes out, and there's like a magnet around it as well. I say, I ain't an electrician. I ain't good on motors. That's why I basically, if I get one that's not a non-runner, I just strip it down and make it into a push-pull. It's easier that way. Right, assemble it all back together now. That's it all back together now. That's the two bogies back together, and just need to fit in the bogies into the chassis and the chassis onto the body. I'll have to do this off camera because it's quite awkward. As you can see, I was explaining how you get them off. And this should just push in. Same with this end. That's it. That's it all in then. Just need to fit the body on now. You see inside the body is a piece of window missing. So what I've got is a piece of plastic. I can find where I put it. Ah, it is. Piece of plastic. It's off a container for sausages. Little party sausages. So I'm going to just glue that in with some super glue. As you can see, I've glued that little bit of plastic in for the window. Just get it to dry now with the super glue, and I can fit the chassis back into the body. That's it, all stuck back together. As I say, the bodywork's not that great on it, is it? I know the guy, when he sold it, he said it was like that. Not good body, poor body. Say once I've weathered it up, it hopefully it'll look alright. Okay, thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel, and I would like any sharing and comments you've got at all. Just go to my friend's layout and have a look at his. His is Jet Mech, and it's Small Town. SMALLTON, and it's JETMEC. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Take care. Bye for now.